Lifestyle Moments with Jess. As you can see, I'm back in the kitchen, and today I'm going to teach you guys how I make a shrimp and tomato / asparagus pasta. It's pretty simple. The thing that is probably the most time consuming would be the prep time. So if you are trying to eat healthier and incorporate more vegetables into your diet, I highly recommend this dish. You can substitute the noodles for whatever type of pasta that you want. You can use zucchini noodles, spaghetti squash, or any other type of pasta substitute besides regular spaghetti. So without further ado, let's get cooking. So I have my asparagus, my shrimp from Whole Foods, and my tomatoes. Actually, all of this stuff came from Whole Foods, but I'm also going to use some green onion and a whole bunch of spices. So these are the spices that I'm going to use. I'm going to use some organic cayenne pepper, red pepper, paprika, Himalayan pink salt, and a dash of shrimp and crab oil for spice. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.